you'll be saying, "Hey, Pencil, how's it going?"
Okay. Yeah, I'm even
looking around the house.
Hey, Pencil, how's it going?
Oh, nothing. I'm just looking at these clouds.
Hey, let's go do something fun, like jumping off a cliff.
You didn't mean it literally? We're not cliff jumping? We're not cliff jumping? Let's, whatever. Okay. Again, let's watch clouds with pen. Let's watch clouds with pen.
No. We wouldn't. Why, in fact, I am.
Go. No, stop it, okay? Don't do that.
I had to tackle him.
Her. Don't do it, okay? Don't do it.
Okay. We'll do the same.
Okay. Doing what? More that way. Which way? That way. Doing no, facing that way. Oh, right. Doing what? Okay. Yeah. Poof. Oh. Yeah. Good. Ha ha. Oh, no, I can't do. Oh no, I got it wrong. Ha ha ha. No, I don't know what he's saying. Yeah. Ha ha ha. These losers look like they're having so much fun with their dolls. Oh. Okay. Shake head.